2015 Ford Escape, and today we're going to be replacing the front wheel speed sensor on the passenger side. This will be the same procedure for both the front wheel speed sensors. These sensors are also referred to as the ABS sensor for the tires. Whatever verbiage you want to use, that's just what we're going to be doing today. Let's get to it. And our first step is going to be to remove the wheel. The wheel is held on with 5 19mm lug nuts. And our wheel speed sensor is located right up top, right on top of the steering knuckle. And we're gonna go ahead and reach in here, unplug your connector. To do that, you just need to press down on this tab right here and wiggle the connector up and out. I'm gonna move that out of the way. Next, you'll need a T25 socket, but I found a screwdriver that has the same fitting on it. Hopefully I'll be able to break this loose. Nice. That screw out. Make sure you don't lose that screw. And sometimes, yeah, mine wiggled right out. A lot of times these will fight you, so be ready for that. It looks like I lucked out this time around. And our new wheel speed sensor from CarQuest, part number Alpha Romeo Alpha 1046. And install that down into its hole. Make sure it's lined up with the screw hole, and we can put our bolt back in. And reinstall our sensor wire. And that's pretty much all there's to it. Clear out any codes that you have, put your wheel back on obviously, and take it for a nice test drive and make sure that took care of your issue. If you'd like to see another video on one of these vehicles, go and check out that one next. Made that one just for you. But other than that, if this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you all next time.